Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris. You can search me on YouTube and Instagram at shave_and_chat. Today, I'm here with the razor company and I'm gonna have a bit of a mammoth shave. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. As you can probably tell from the intro picture, I'm going to be using House of Mammoth Kryptonite for my soap today. Now, that's the first time I'm ever using this artisan. I'm excited to try them out and see how they work. I'll be lathering up with my trusty Aylsworth Altare with a G5C synthetic knot. And then I'll be taking down 2 days worth of growth with a razor that I think has quickly become my favorite razor. At least one of my favorite razors. That's for sure. I'm going to be taking down 2 days worth of growth with the OliWorks, with the OliWorks. Maybe it's OliWorks. Please leave down in the comments and correct me. I don't know how to pronounce this razor and I apologize. And I mean, while you're leaving a comment, if you want to go ahead and leave a like on this video as well and subscribe to the razor company, that would be awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you. So I'll be taking down 2 days worth of growth. This razor is so good. I used it a few shaves ago and I just almost instantly fell in love with it. I mean, just look at it. The look alone is incredible. And then I'll be ending off the entire shave with House of Mammoth Kryptonite Aftershave Splash. Now you can find pretty much everything that I'm using today at the razor company. I'll leave a link down below to their website if you want to go check them out. They have a vast variety of wet shaving gear. Whatever you need or want, there's a good chance they may have it. And while you're online checking them out, if you want to go follow them over on Instagram, I'll leave their handle down below here as well. They have a ton of wet shave content. And every Saturday morning, they do a live shave, typically with 4 other people. During that shave, they draw a name for a prize. That could be you. All right, guys, let's get on with that shave. First, look at some leaf pre-shave oil on the face. The lime is definitely in here, but it's not overpowering. It's not just lime. Let's load up my brush, shall we? Alright, so my brush is loaded and it's ready to be painted on. And I just want to take a second to really admire this handle. That is beautiful. Now the razor company does offer just the handle, so you can pick one up and then choose whatever knot you want to go into it. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and throw in a Filoso blade. These are the blades that came with the razor. I'm really happy with them so far. Alright, my OliWorks razor is loaded. And once again, guys, if you could somehow write down in the description how to pronounce this razor. I know I'm not pronouncing it correctly. The lime in this very subtle. It isn't overpowering. It's very quite nice. Do you have any House of Mammoth? What soap would you recommend? Leave it down in the comments. So far, I'm very impressed with this lather. All right, first pass. Oh, I hate to say it, with the OliWorks razor. By the way, this is a stainless steel razor. And now I ended up picking up the medium plate. They do offer a mild and an aggressive plate. I'm really debating whether I should jump up and get the aggressive plate, but the medium shaves like a dream. So let's get going with that first pass. Oh yeah, this is a nice razor. I'm telling you, this razor has quickly become one of my favorite razors out there. Alright, first pass is done, guys. This razor kind of reminds me of a Henson or an Apex. Very easy to use, extremely efficient, and man, just feels so good. Now when it comes to this House of Mammoth soap, it's really making a great first impression on me. All right, let's get in there for my second pass across the grain. So after my second pass, I'm actually starting to feel that maybe this blade, for me, is a one and done type of blade. Now this is my second time using this blade. My first shave was outstanding and my first pass felt amazing. Going on with my second pass, it's not feeling the way it just was. So I'm gonna go ahead, I only have one more pass to go and I'll figure out what exactly is going on here. Hold tight. Loving the smell of this soap. We're going third pass and this is going against the grain. Alright guys, there's the end of the shave. That did feel very nice. Not BBS, but a darn good shave, mind you. Let me go ahead, wash off the rest of this soap, and maybe I'll talk a little bit more about the razor soap at the end. Hold tight. Now I'll get in there with my Parker's Allen block. Yeah, I do find by the third pass, the blade was starting to feel maybe a little more tuggier, if that makes sense. So I wonder for me, if that blade, when I use it, it's a one and done type of thing. I have a friend that I just introduced wet shaving to, and he can only use a feather blade once. If he tries to use it more than once, he says it hurts, it's tuggy. It definitely is not as good as the first time he used it. Maybe for this blade, I'm in that same boat. Is there a blade that you use that after maybe the first or second use, it's no good to you? All right, the razor is cleaned up and ready for my next use, which could be my next shave. I love this thing so much. We'll see. All right, and now my Altair is cleaned up and it's ready for its next use. Now, while I've been cleaning up my equipment and cleaning up my area, the alum is still on my face. I'm gonna go ahead, wash it off, and then I'm gonna throw on some Thayers. All right, let's go ahead and finish off this entire shave with House of Mammoth Aftershave Splash. Oh, that feels good. Wow, the smell is so nice. And that little sting and burn feels fantastic. House of Mammoth, you have my approval. Alright guys, there's the end of the shave. This is feeling fantastic. My first time using House of Mammoth and I'm extremely impressed. So if there's another scent that you would recommend from the House of Mammoth, please leave it down in the comments. I'd love to check them out. I really enjoyed this soap. I loved the smell. There was some nice lime within it, but it wasn't overbearing. So if you're looking for something that has that hint, but isn't completely overbearing with the lime scent, I highly recommend picking up Kryptonite from the House of Mammoth. Now let's talk a little bit about Kryptonite from the House of Mammoth Aftershave Splash. That felt so nice going on. Yes, I had that nice little burn to it, which I love in any splash that I use, but the dry down was so quick and leaving my face so nice and soft and smooth. It smells fantastic in here. If you want a great soap set, pick up the House of Mammoth Kryptonite soap and splash, and you have yourself a nice set. All right, so let me fill you in on Aylsworth Altare. I don't think this this camera is doing justice for how beautiful this brush is. The handle, which I believe is some sort of metal, is beautiful looking. This green is outstanding. I do have a variety of different colors. They're all so beautiful. And this G5C synthetic knot is so nice. It lathers beautifully. So if you're looking for a beautiful handle, again, check out the razor company and pick up one of their Altare handles. In my opinion, you won't be disappointed. Plus, you can choose what knot you want to go in it. And now lastly, the razor that has completely blown me away. The Aylsworth, I'm sorry, razor is so amazing. The attention to detail is incredible. The handle, the knurling, you could fill this thing full of soap and your hand's not going anywhere. The grip is incredible. The weight to this is outstanding. During my shave, I was thinking to myself, I'm barely putting any pressure. It's 100% doing all the work. I can't say enough about this, but I'm going to have to. If you are looking for a high-end razor that's extremely efficient and will definitely get the job done, definitely pick up this razor. It's amazing. On that note, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.